Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today's video, I'm going to share smash burger tacos. These smash burger tacos are a must try. Layers of crispy beef with your favorite burger toppings on a tortilla is such a delicious combination that you will love to make. It can't go wrong with two of the greatest foods combined into one. They're quick and easy, absolutely incredible. This viral recipe is worth the hype. In a food processor, I'm adding 1 white onion, garlic 6 to 8 cloves, red pepper 1, and bunch of cilantro or parsley leaves, and you can process it few times and just squeeze out the excess water and keep it aside. For this recipe I'm using minced beef 2 pound. To this I'm adding the squeezed onion and pepper mix. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder ½ teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, chili flakes ½ tablespoon, paprika powder 1 tablespoon, sumac is ½ teaspoon, it's optional, salt to your taste. Mix it well with your hand until everything combined well, and then you can refrigerate for some time. With this meat I can make actually 2 nights dinner for 4 people. If you're not a fan of beef, you can always replace the beef with turkey or chicken. We need the flour tortillas. Here I am using the small size. You can divide and make 4-ounce spiced beef balls. Press each beef ball onto one side of a tortilla as thin and evenly as possible. Heat a pan and you can place the tortilla beef side down on the hot pan. Immediately you can press with a burger press or a spatula for 5 seconds to set the crust. Stir it for like 2 to 3 minutes until the edges are deeply browned. You can flip the tortilla and quickly on top you can place a slice of cheese and cook for about 1 minute. And once it's ready, the cheese is melted, you can remove from the skillet. You can use a spatula to release the beef from the pan. It should release easily if fully cooked. And you can flip so the tortilla side touches the heat. For the burger sauce, we need a mayonnaise 2 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon sriracha sauce or any hot sauce, and if you want you can add ketchup too. Yellow mustard I am using 1 teaspoon, and garlic powder and pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon each. Whisk until it's smooth and then you can keep it in the refrigerator. Once you have done with all the tortillas, it's time to make our tacos. First spread the sauce, then you can add sliced onions. Here I'm using only onions and cucumber. If you want you can use lettuce, tomatoes, any toppings you like, and I'm using jalapenos too. Our smash burger tacos are ready to eat. You can fold in half and enjoy. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.